what truly goes into creating a home. It's more than just walls and furniture. It's a reflection of the people who live within. But what happens when a couple sets out to build their dream home, only to find their styles collide?
The couple is indeed very different. I think this is what makes them unique because of their differences. When we bring them together, it creates a collision that sparks a unique aesthetic expression.
Before we begin, a friendly reminder, if you've not clicked on that subscribe button yet, do it now and stay in the loop of more upcoming design and architecture related contents. Stepping through the entrance, a narrow hallway gently unfolds into a wider passage.
Now we arrive at the entrance hall of this villa. This entrance hall is designed with an L-shaped passage. There's a subtle turn here, and after turning, the passage isn't particularly wide. But looking up, there's a sense of openness and remarkable imagination, because we've used a double height void to craft this entrance corridor. We hope to provide a unique experience so that upon entering, passing through a narrow corridor allows this family to feel, as they step into this space, a sense of ceremony, like the feeling of returning home.
Artworks line the walls, guiding you deeper into the home. And just beyond, the living area reveals itself, open, calm, and bright.
Because we've always advocated for healthy living spaces, a healthy home has two key aspects. The first is physical health, meaning the house is designed to be well ventilated with excellent light management. At the same time, it can breathe freely, making it a truly natural and organic living space.
Framed by soft curves and natural light, the living area feels less like a room and more like a quiet stage for everyday moments. Rich colors add warmth to the otherwise restrained setting, while sculptural furniture pieces add playful geometry.
This reception area is not exactly a conventional reception space. It serves that function, but at the same time, it's also a family music area. Because this family has children who love playing the piano, we've also created a piano corner for them. It's worth mentioning this piece of artwork displayed at the very center. It is a photographic work, yet it carries a strong sense of drama. It exudes a theatrical presence, perfectly complementing the piano area. Regarding the dining environment, what's interesting is that we designed a view-oriented approach facing the garden. At the same time, a water curtain can be opened. Creating a highly romantic backdrop for dining. It feels pleasantly cool while dining here, offering a truly remarkable experience.
Sliding doors open to an alfresco dining space. Surrounded by vibrant greenery, the outdoor area offers a quiet contrast. Just beside it, a home theater reveals itself with sliding doors connecting to the landscape. Minimal cabinetry lines space and recessed lighting mimic natural daylight, blurring indoors and outdoors.
There are two elements here. One is the staircase on our left. This staircase is particularly important in shaping the space. It's a reimagined version of the original staircase structure, now redesigned as the main staircase. This staircase, when viewed from above, takes on a subtle heart-shaped form. Ascending this staircase, we designed it to feel relatively light and airy. The left side features solid steel plates, while this side incorporates a transparent design. Many areas feature rounded treatments, including circular details in these spots. Between the glass panels, we've added crystal column accents to make the space feel more luminous and crystalline. This is a significant artwork in the public area, created by an Italian artist. Personally, I feel this artwork serves as a focal point and an anchor for the entire hall, defining the space instantly. It elevates the artistic ambiance and tone of the space. Now we ascend to the second floor of the villa. The initial impression of this space is one of depth and richness, enveloped in deep red tones. This space was specifically designed for the lady of the house. This space is highly dynamic, primarily consisting of two distinct areas. One is a relaxation area where one can lie down, and the other is this round table area. We used a deep, rich red to craft the overall ambiance of the space, infusing it with a distinctly feminine character.
Warm walls and timber flooring create a grounding and calm feel. A recessed ceiling draws attention to a tree in the corner, where daylight streams gently in. On the same floor, an outdoor deck stretches open to the view. A chair, bold and playful, stands alone as a sculptural statement among soft reeds. It becomes a place to pause, sit, and see the world a little differently.
This space serves as the centerpiece of the entire house. It faces west, capturing the sunset around 6 or 7 in the evening. The light here is exceptionally beautiful. Standing here to enjoy the sunset offers a delightful experience of the surrounding scenery. This is truly a remarkable experience.
In the master bedroom, a neutral palette sets a restful tone, punctuated by rich textures and bold color in the art.
The master bedroom is quite spacious, and we've divided it into two distinct zones. One area features the bed and a lounge chair designed for relaxation. Additionally, we've created a small nook, a cozy corner within the bedroom. This nook is quite significant, as the bedroom is more than just a place for sleep. This space allows the homeowners to shift their mood, offering a change in atmosphere. It's a small, curated corner dedicated to reading or study. The entire space is anchored by a deep, rich forest green as the foundational colour, imbuing the room with a sense of masculine weight, while also reflecting the refined taste and appreciation for quality and texture.
A second spiral staircase leads to the wide walk-in wardrobe, hidden above the master bedroom. Even with a slanted ceiling, the space remains airy and open thanks to the skylight in the corner. Cleverly concealed storage keep the room seamless, while soft furniture and playful touches add a sense of childlike wonder.
There's no right or wrong in their aesthetic preferences. When combined, they create a unique spark. This is what makes their home distinctly theirs. From the beginning to the completion of this project, we've collaborated closely, evolving and growing together.
In the end, this is what makes a home feel alive. A reminder that when we let our differences breathe, they can become the spark that makes life and our homes uniquely ours. If you enjoyed this episode and you want to learn more about interior design and architecture-related contents, please click on the subscribe button to stay tuned to more upcoming design and architecture-related contents. My name is Alex Lee, and I am from Design Seeds. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next week.